So today's market update continues to show improvement. The 10-year note is at 3.85, which is the lowest it's been since February 1st of 2024. The 10-year note staying below 4 will help continue to improve mortgage rates. But the fears of a recession have eased a bit, so the rate cut chance that's going to happen in September, they were thinking 75% chance of a 50 basis point rate cut. That's probably now down to a 25% chance, but they're assuming at least a minimum of a 25 basis point expectation. Consumer sentiment came in slightly better than expected, which is surprising as well. The Fed minutes come out this Wednesday, 21 days since their last meeting. These minutes can move the market either way, so we're watching that very closely. In February of 2023, disinflation began, or so they mentioned in one of their Fed minutes. That never happened. So the Fed is being very careful not to make those remarks again. They're just watching the data. So if the data shows consistency with the inflation coming down, that's going to be the real opportunity of the rate cut. 21 days ago, they opened the door for a possible rate cut. They need to make sure the inflation readings are consistent with their target rate of 2%. In January of 2024, the 10-year note was at 3.95, and today we're at 3.85. If you have purchased a home between mid-February and end of July this year, you are seeing higher mortgage rates, and you should be looking to see if you can lower your rate and payment. If you want me to do an analysis, if you qualify for a lower rate and payment, please feel free to reach out to me. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.